Illinois, this campground was called Prophetstown State Park, where the U.S. soldiers came in and defeated the chief Tecumseh and his brother, who has a very long name, who's also known as the Prophet. The battle happened in 1811, and the U.S. won the battle. These tribes all came together, were fighting to protect their land. They wanted to keep the areas from here up through Michigan available for the Indians because more and more settlers were moving into the area. All the tribes you see here on these plaques were part of the Confederacy. They came to support Tecumseh and his brother, the Prophet, and their defense for their land from the immigrants. The U.S. defeat of Tecumseh and his Indian Confederation led to the end of the Indian threat. Beautiful evening. Rained all day. Now, dish isn't pulling in that much, but it's working. That's what counts. We have to be careful when we're driving this big RV. Have to make sure that we don't hit any narrow roads, low bridges, go through towns where the weight limit is over. So I use Google Maps, TruckMaps, and RV Trip Wizard. And here on Google Maps you can see the path across Indiana, and you see that it took us through these little lakes on this very narrow road. I was really upset about that. Then we had to find a gas station where we could fit into it, and that was the gas station. Alright, this is TruckMap. In TruckMap, you can pick out where you're going to go, and then it'll ask you if you want to pick up a load, which is really funny. And we don't need a load, but the good thing about TruckMap is you can put in your weight and your height, and it will keep you on the right roads. So here I was trying to find JC Refrigeration and be able to go there, and it took me a total different way than Google Maps. And I should have used TruckMap. Now here you can see where it's pointing to the entrance to the park, and then it shows it going up that way. And I like that route a lot better. And when I first got on Google Maps, that's the route that it had. But then all of a sudden, partway along the way, Google changes the route.
There we go, that's Shipshewana.
So we're in Shipshewana, Indiana, Amish country. Heading over to JC Refrigeration to get our refrigerator double checked because it works perfectly on LP, but when we put it on electricity, it gradually gets warmer and warmer. I don't know if they'll be able to fix it, but we're going to have to check it out.
Say something, something.
Yeah, I got
we don't talk about nothing no more. No, nothing, nothing. Do you not care about nothing no more? It's like we've been fighting. Do you even want it? Do you feel you need this? Do you even feel it? Fighting for a lost cause, or am I fighting for us? Just tell me, is it worth it all? Feels like I've been doing way too much, babe. Feels like I've been working through this stuff, babe. Over time, lately it's been getting kind of tough, babe. Feels like I've been doing way too much, babe. Feels like I've been working through this stuff, babe. Over time, lately it's been getting kind of tough, babe. Feels like
So I had to put my satellite dish out here because of all the trees. I couldn't use my pole in the back. So we're in site number 1. Got lots of room. It's supposed to be 100 degrees tomorrow. That should be really fun. I got a bad feeling because I opened the valves and nothing was coming out. So I'm thinking that maybe I left one of these caps in the middle of the hose.
And this is where the expression, oh shit, comes in.
Yeah, really bad oh shit. Because I'm seeing water leaking right down in there.
As
There
she
it is.
steps back.
Look, get the camera over here. See?
Don't leave the cap on.
Yeah. Don't leave the,
Oh, it smells so terrible.
don't leave the cap. I left the cap on between at that joint.
Yeah?
That means then all of this would have been full of poop and shit.
Oh,
That would have been even worse.
yes.
I mean, this is bad enough.
All right, let her rip.
Oh. So now, I couldn't figure out why nothing was coming out.
The sound of success.
Here.
Yum.
Well, my Jeep has 120,000 miles on it, so I think I'll take it on up and get the transmission fluid changed and the oil changed. It seems to be running pretty good, so might as well take good care of it.